And welcome back to the channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvme Hair, and they sent me this beautiful, and when I mean beautiful, I think this is water wave, if I'm not mistaken. I think it is water wave curly hair. And guys, believe me when I tell you, I did not put any product inside this hair. I did not even bother to actually like wet the curls and do any type of like curling products in it. Literally just slapped it on my head, use a hot comb, put a little hairspray here and a little wax stick to kind of tame it a little bit, but that is it. I did not use any form of product, any form of oil, but just look at this hair, the natural shine that it has. Crazy. But before we jump into the installation of the wig and how I got it to look like this, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. The bag to put the wig in when I'm done wearing it, wig labelers, I think this is a bonnet, stocking cap, and I am loving the fact that now Luvme Hair is sending me the actual stocking caps that fit my skin, matches my skin. Because they've been sending me the dark ones and it's just like, girl, do you see my skin tone? Do you see my scalp? Yeah, no. So I'm very happy that they started sending me these. I wanted these because I keep running short on them. But yeah, stocking cap, makeup sponge, hair clip to help with the installation of the wig, and also their hair user guide. So for the specs of the wig, I think this is a water wave curly, if I'm not mistaken, 5x5 closure wig, glueless. And when I say glueless, I mean literally glueless. No hairspray, no glue, no gel, nothing. Literally glueless, nothing. All I did was install it, blend it with some makeup so the lace can look really melted, but that is pretty much all I did. Now if you guys love to see how I end up getting this look and how I install the wig, then definitely keep on watching.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know you taste this, a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, if I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them, I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off, fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne.
final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would love to thank Luvme Hair for sponsoring this video. The link to the wig will be down in the description box, so if you guys would love to purchase it, definitely check down below. But for now, this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys on the next one. Bye.